Hey, it's Ian, and today I have the world's best universal remote. Now, why does it get the title of world's best? Because this is the easiest remote to program. Let me show you how this works. Now, you'll notice that above each button is a popular brand name that this remote supports, and pairing it can be done in seconds. First, you're going to want to turn on your TV and take note of the brand name. Next, you're going to want to point the remote at the TV, hold down the TV button and the button that corresponds to your TV brand. And what I love is I can have one remote connected to multiple devices, and pairing it is just as simple. For instance, if I also want to connect my DVD player to this remote, all I'll have to do is hold down the DVD button and the button that corresponds to my DVD player's brand name. Now, once all your devices are programmed to your remote, switching between them is super easy. For example, if you want to control your TV, make sure you press the TV button. But if you want to control, say, your DVD player, all you'll have to do is press the DVD button. Now, another awesome feature that this remote has that I really love is it has shortcut buttons for some of my favorite streaming services, like Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, and YouTube. Now, these are powered by two AAA batteries, which are not included, but you can find them on our site at an awesome price. Now, universal remotes have been around for a long time, but this is the first time I've ever seen them get it right. Now, we have an awesome deal that you're not going to want to miss out on, and with our incredible price, count up how many you need and get one for every TV in your home. So don't wait, head on over to the site and get yours today.